Hey, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Today you're going to see a few clips from our Thanksgiving party that we made for residents for about 60 people. There's my carving station, the Schaefer's. Butternut squash for the butternut squash bisque we're making tonight. And over here, we got turkey stock going for the turkey gravy. Oh yeah! Green beans getting ready for a casserole. Fresh mushroom soup for the green bean casserole. And stock for extra stock for a dressing. Corey cutting the Hawaiian roll for the stuffing. We're getting her done. There we go, butternut squash soup. Turn it into a bisque. Working hard. Getting ready for the Thanksgiving turkeys. Stuffing the butter pats in the turkeys. That's right. So it just melts perfectly. Yeah. Here we go. Dessert tonight. Pumpkin cheesecake tarts. Candy jams. Ready to go. Big gobble 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 day. Yeah, look at that. Cranberry, turkey, my pans for carving, gravy, dressing, carrots and parsnip, green bean casserole, and candy jams. We're ready. Thank you for watching. That was just some short clips of what I do on a daily basis for my residents. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see what we come up with in the next one. Aloha!